Hello guys, good morning. So we are here at Richmond Hotel in Ortigas because our flight was very late last night. So we had to book a hotel in order for us to have a place to stay for a meantime, because the key to our apartment is at my sister's place, and she has to deliver that here. So come on, let's have a room tour. There is where you will enter the room, and this side you have a cabinet where you can hang your clothes, and they also provide you extra pillow and slippers. 2 slippers, but they do not provide you like laundry bag anymore. And on the left side is the bathroom. I'm sorry if it's a little bit messy because we have already used it, and I didn't vlog it last night before it's still not messy. So regular toilet, a bathtub with hot and cold shower. They also provide you complimentary soap, toothbrush, shower cup, and they have glass when you brush your teeth, and tissue. And of course, I don't know why there's always a telephone when you do your business, but they don't provide you a hair dryer, and of course the bidet. Then when we go forward, you have a full-size mirror. Hi guys. And inside is 1 bedroom where you can opt to have 2 separate beds if you request, and a drying rack, and an ottoman chair, is that what you call it? 2 side tables with 2 lamps, and TV, and of course your working desk. They also provide you complimentary water, of course coffee, tea, and electric kettle if you want to, of course, drink your tea and coffee after you ate. And then in here is the view to our room. The view of the skyline of Ortigas. There you go. So that's it guys, that's our room tour. But an honest review or opinion, if this is like a place that you can, I'm very sad actually, because last night when I went here, I was a little disappointed to my experience with Richmond Hotel right now. The room is really not clean, not very clean. I saw 2 small cockroaches last night, and it was very dusty, and my mom is complaining because I don't know if it's the air or it's the dust. She got some itches in her legs and feet, and I don't know if they clean this because we came from abroad. Of course, even though if there's no quarantine, maybe they use this room for people who are coming or going back to the Philippines, coming from abroad. So yeah, that's it guys. And for the food, we only request for we opted to buy food outside for delivery. We didn't eat here because the water cost like 150 pesos for 325 ml. It was a surreal feeling that I am now here in the Philippines at last. The humid air, the smell of smog that lingers in the air. The people around me talking in Tagalog. My mixed feelings before we flew out of Egypt slowly becoming familiar. Somewhat slowly saying, "You belong here. I belong here. There is no place like home."